This is a Seben lesson. I'm going to teach you on your right hand. For the left one, we are going to learn later. Because I don't have a cameraman, I'm using the other hand for holding the camera. Yeah. So this is the lead. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so here is how it goes. First, the progression is 1, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, so 1, 4. I mean 1, 5, 4, 5. Yeah, so you start with this one. The root chord of F sharp is this one. Then in the first inversion, the second inversion. So you start with the second inversion. So you start like this. Then this one, this is D sharp minor. So you omit this one, D sharp minor. This is D sharp minor, but the first inversion. So use this. This is in the scale of F sharp. This is 3, and this one is 6. So 3, 6. Then 2, 5. Then 7, 2. Then 6, 1. So 6, 1, 2, then 4. You repeat 4. You sustain this. Then you start 1 again. Then this one, 7 and 2. Then 2 and 5. So in short, it's this. You see? So that's how it is. Let me show you how it is played. Oh, sorry. My people, oh sorry sir. All right, thank you, God bless you. This video is the quality of this video is low. It's because of I'm lacking a good camera. I'm using my phone, but one day God is gonna bless me. I'm gonna purchase a good quality camera and good recording system. But don't forget to subscribe, share my videos, let people watch the video and let people get blessed. God bless you so much.